we are doing the challenge. You popping.
I'm popping? Okay. Come over here. One, two, three.
Hi,
Oh, go ahead.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do my makeup and a little bit makeup on my knee.
A little bit on me?
Yeah.
Welcome back to another video, guys. What's up? It's your girl, NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. You gotta dance. Okay, what you wanna do on me today, Stink?
I'm gonna first do the makeup, so I'm gonna do this first.
You gonna do blush first?
Yeah. Blush.
You need the brush for blush?
Yeah.
Where you put blush at?
Oh, right here?
Yeah. Oh my god. Wait, hold on. They can't see you. Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. Wait. Are you gonna put blush?
Yeah.
Where you gonna put blush at?
Right here.
Okay. Is that a lot of product?
Okay, that's enough.
What else you wanna do?
Next, I'm gonna do is what are these for?
That's to blend my makeup in.
Does it burn you?
No.
Can I put some on?
Go ahead.
Is it already on there?
Mm-hmm.
That's fun. And now I'm gonna do, what's this?
That's foundation. I have some on already.
Oh. Next, I'm gonna do, what is this?
That's highlight.
Can I do it?
Yeah, let me open it for you. Because
It's
so it don't
messy.
fall out. Yeah, it's messy. Here go a brush.
Thank you.
Put it in there. Oh, that's a lot. Oh. Oh. We're gonna dab that in. Okay. Now where you gonna put this?
Right here?
You wanna put it on my eye? You can put it wherever you want to.
Oh, whoa, that's crazy.
It was crazy?
Yeah. It's messy, that's why. That's enough. I want some on me too.
Okay. Oh, so you doing both of our makeup? Oh, that's hecka cute, girl.
Remember this?
What else you want to do?
I'm gonna do some of this.
Tell me what?
Some of this.
Oh, some concealer?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, let me. Oh, you got it? Oh, you're a big girl. You know how to close it.
Yeah, I know how to close everything. So where do you put this?
Okay, so this how you do it. You squeeze it. You see how it came out?
Oh, yeah.
So you put it right here.
Okay. Is it only for grown-ups or kids?
Grown-ups.
Okay.
Then you take this
I'm gonna take this.
and you dab on it.
Okay. Dab, 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 dab.
Mm-hmm.
Dab, 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 dab. It's almost like daddy.
Yeah.
Dab.
This is mascara. It's for my eyelashes.
I'm gonna do it. Mascara. Does that make it black or it makes it long?
Both.
Whoa, awesome.
That's awesome, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Put
magic.
that. Do I have magical powers now?
Yeah, I have magical powers too.
Oh my goodness. Okay. You want to do eyeshadow?
Yep. Time for the eyeshadow.
Ooh. Okay. So your favorite palette. She loves this Juvia's Place palette. I might as well just buy her one at this point. No, that's the wrong brush. Let me get you a brush. Here, use this. Use this one.
Oh, I'm excited.
What color are you gonna use?
I'm gonna use this color.
She's going in with Zulu.
Zulu.
It's the blue.
Blue. Well, I'm gonna put it right. Can I put it on your nose?
On my nose. It's supposed to go on my eye.
Okay. Put the glitter like there. It's gonna color blue and the other glitter.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, awesome.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Oh, the glitter's on you, and your eyelashes falling off a little bit.
My eyelash falling off? Oh my god, I'm gonna have to put it back on. What other color you want to use?
Oh, the next color that I'm gonna use is for me.
Oh, you gonna use the pink on you?
Yeah, it's my favorite color.
Ooh.
Now, next,
You ain't gonna do it on the other eye?
I'm gonna use.
A different color on the other eye?
Yeah.
You hecka tight. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. You hecka tight.
I'm looking at the mirror so I can really see.
Oh, so you can really see it?
Yeah.
That's hecka tight, girl. Who taught you these skills?
Oh, I just learned it.
You learned it? You be watching my YouTube videos?
Yep.
So what lipstick you want to do?
This lipstick's gonna be for you.
Can you do this one? This one's cuter. It's pink, too, your favorite color.
I know, but I'm gonna do this matching one right there.
That's not lipstick.
What is it?
That's glitter.
Glitter lipstick?
No, that's glitter for your eyes.
Oh, I want some for me.
Okay.
Is it messy butt? So pretty. You look so pretty, Minnie.
Oh my god, thank you, baby.
Look at that.
Okay, you want me to put some glitter on you? You want glitter?
Yeah.
Okay, close. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. You're such a beautiful unicorn. Did you ever think it would be so pretty? You want lipstick too?
What do you make a horn with?
A horn? What kind of horn?
A unicorn horn?
Oh, we want a unicorn horn.
Yeah.
Ooh, sorry. OMG, look at that's so pretty. Do I get one too?
Yeah. Where's cute right here?
On my nose?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like both of us. Now I'm gonna pick.
We are unicorn magic.
Yeah.
I look like Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer.
Oh yeah.
But I have a rhinestone nose. That's like a tight, huh?
Right here?
Yeah. You doing your eyebrows?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so pretty, girl. Yes.
Okay, your turn.
You doing your eyebrows? Yeah. Oh, you're so pretty, girl. Yes.
Okay.
You doing your eyebrows? Yeah. Oh, you're
Okay.
so pretty, girl. You do eyebrows so good. Give me 5. You're going to be the next eyebrow superstar. That's it. The only thing else you need to do is set my face. You know how to spray?
You know, right here, like that.
Mm-hmm. We got to close your eyes. Here, let me do
can't
it.
do it.
Close your eyes. Whoop. You want me to do myself?
No.
You want me to spray myself? You want me to spray myself?
No, I'm gonna do it.
I'm scared. Ah! Okay, now we go like this. Come here. We go like that. Woo, woo. And then we go like woo.
Easy. Okay, next one.
Are we done here?
Nope. We
No.
have more stuff to do.
What we gotta do?
Okay. I'm gonna do a bunny rabbit.
Are those the ears?
Yeah. Those are the ears.
Oh. Oh.
The next one's. These are my ears.
Mm. Mm.
Pretty, right?
Yes.
Good.
That's how you want to do?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, you're just an artiste. They're not ready for your artist skills. Oh my God. You made green. It's like beautiful.
Good.
Okay. Can we close out this video?
No. Wait, we still got...
It's long.
We have more stuff to do. Oh, what's this? What are you...
Tell YouTube about yourself. How old are you?
I'm 4.
When's your birthday?
January 14.
January 25th, 2014?
No, January 25th, 14.
14. How old are you going to be on your birthday?
Oh, 5.
What's your favorite color?
Oh, pink.
What's your favorite food?
Rainbow's my favorite color.
You like the rainbow?
Yeah.
Oh.
You said what's my favorite fruit?
Mm-hmm.
Fruit or food?
Fruit.
Oh, banana.
Mine too.
Banana. And I also like sugar. You didn't know that?
Sugar?
Yeah.
You like sugar?
Your diamond is falling off.
Push it in for me so it doesn't come on. Thank you.
What?
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is Taco Bell.
Taco Bell.
With me and salad.
Ugh, Taco Bell nasty. I don't like Taco Bell.
I like Taco Bell.
Really?
Yep.
I like Popeyes.
Yo, yucky.
You like chicken.
Oh, yeah.
They have chicken.
Yeah.
You just have to dig back into that color, huh?
Yeah.
You're a menace to society.
Because I want to do it on this.
I can't get this open. How did you know to do that?
Because I know.
You learned that from me?
Nope, I just watched your videos.
Oh my gosh. That's so tight. Okay, here.
The
Here, put this on.
bow. Good. What is it? Where do you put it?
On your lips.
Oh, good.
If you guys are wondering what she's looking at, I have a mirror right here and a mirror over here. So if she's looking that way, this way, there's a mirror right there, but there's also a mirror down on the actual table that she's looking at. How much are we doing?
So, today we're going to be doing rock, paper, scissors. See who wants to pick a makeup and do it on their face. So let's get started.
Let's get started.
Before we do it, click on turn notification. Give me a huge thumbs up. Let's count to. Let's count to 1 live. 10, 9, 8, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Okay, let's get started, guys. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. We both, that's a tie. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Gotcha.
I won.
Oh, yeah. So you get to put makeup on me first.
Oh, okay. Can I put some highlighter on you?
Of course.
I want to make you pretty and glowy.
Okay.
So we're going to dip in the Shayla by ColourPop highlight. Okay, look. We're going to put it right here on your cheeks. We're going to put it right there on your... Oh, your highlight popping, girl. You popping, sis. You popping. Wait, let me do it on your nose. You got to get some right there on your nose. You hecka popping, girl. Okay, you want to do rock, paper, scissors again?
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Gotcha.
Okay, so what you going to do on me?
I'm going to do one more diamond right here. You pop it.
I'm popping? Okay.
Yeah.
Boom. You popping with your 2 rhinestones. Hey. Do your duck lips. Oh, you popping, girl. You popping.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Let's go play Hello Neighbor.
Say, make sure you like,
comment down below. Leave a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Turn on your notifications. Big thumbs up. See you later. Bye.
Ta-ta. Mwah.